The studio I'm sitting in right now belongs to Barry O'Hare, and he's the producer who first released a record with me. I think then I was probably about 17 years old or going on 18, and I heard myself on the radio, and I was, oh god, that was so much fun. I was like, it wasn't even about a money thing, like I'm gonna get paid one day. It was more like, wow, that's me, everybody can hear me.
Pretty much early 90s that I met Tanya. As a teenager, she came to the studio and wanted to sing.
The first time I walked in, I was still in my uniform, my high school uniform, and I was like, yo, I can sing. And then everybody just laughed. They said, you know what, little girl, go back to school.
Then when I heard her, it was a total different situation. And once I heard her, immediately I knew that she had great talent as a songwriter and as a singer. And it has proven itself over the years.
This one is for all us ladies who go to the club or wherever we go and we see a guy and he's with his girl and we can't touch him, can't do nothing, just sit and look. Hint, maybe you can suggest to him, give his girl a lot of drinks so she has to go use the bathroom really frequently. And while she's gone, you can make a move. Trust me, it works, I've tried it. It's a pity. Said if we never get a chance to be together, go with John. Remember, Tanya love ya. Say, it's a pity you already have a wife, and I don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. It is such a pity. You already have a wife, and may have a one man in my life. It's a pity. I woulda liked one of these mornings to wake up and find your face on a pillow lying right next to mine. I woulda cut out the party and the smoking and the rum and bust a extra wine and make we seal up a sun. Well, every time I fantasize, me see your lips, me see your eyes. Your finger do something, I left the rude girl hypnotized. For you it's just a thing, another leg of fling. But for me this is heaven and the angel them a sing. It's a pity you already have a wife, and I don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. Oh, I must say, it is such a pity. You already have a wife, and may have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. I'm so bored. For buck you up in a public and can't even touch it. Really fuck me up because my check for you so much the respect. Want my have for your woman, for your kids. Rude boy, my Chris, I know me it is. Who knows, maybe one day the world would be evolved enough. We'll share you in a civilized manner between the two of us. But until then, I woulda loved see you again. But no way have to play it by the stupid rules I'm in. Said if we never get a chance to be together, go with John. Remember, Tanya love ya. So meet me round the corner, avoid Missy and Lana. You know them are two of the biggest informer. I'm not starving for sex, no, not ball out next, no. But the way all you flex really pique my interest, yo. The you what people see, another you and me loving. And the you were there with me go much deeper than skin. I don't know exactly what it is you're feeling, but I wish it was a permanent thing, yeah. It's such a pity you already have a wife, and may have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. How I must say, it is such a pity. You already have a wife, and I don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. I said, I know know say you belong to she, you know say me belong to him. I woulda want you this your queen, I woulda never this my king. But when you play for me rhythm, one more feel the bass a swing. You left me in a turmoil, you have me in a spin. It really make me sad for you for waste so much water. I think the two of we can make a beautiful daughter, but it would be selfish to want innocent little youth for bring her come and cannot tell her the truth. Tell her the truth. Mama say, go with ya. Remember, Tanya love ya. Said if we never get a chance to be together, go with ya. Remember, Tanya love you.